Welcome to Preston Audi. My name is Charlotte and today I'm going to show you a quick walk around video of our Contrast Edition A1. So it's finished in the Python yellow with the contrast roof, and we can see here the LED daytime running headlights. So we move around the car, can show you the 18-inch alloy wheels. Inside the vehicle you have your S-Line half Alcantara, half leatherette sport seats, along with your digital dash, S-Line steering wheel with the fingertip controls. The central MMI touchscreen system is there in the middle, and below that you have the Tronic automatic gear stick. So we move around the car, we can see there the privacy glass in the rear. And round the back is another nice highlight of the Contrast Edition. We can see the black badges along with the darkened rear lights and the LED dynamic indicators. Inside the boot you can see that there's loads of space in there, plenty of room for everything you could need. Just moving around the car, we can see just how good it looks in that colour, which is highlighted really nicely by the contrast roof and the black styling edition. In the rear of the vehicle we can see the matching seat trim, and again plenty of room in there. So this car is currently on the market for £22,990. If you would like any further information or a Audi personalised solutions package, please don't hesitate to contact us on 01772 0000. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Bye.